Now we need to create a new topic to process the payment. So inside the service bus, let's create a new topic here. We will call this as order payment process topic. Let's create that. Once you create that, it automatically displays in a lowercase, but we have created a topic. In there, we need to create a subscription now. So on the subscriptions, we will hit plus here, and we will call this as mango payment. Max delivery count, let's keep it as 3. Everything else, let's keep it the same. With that, let me create. Perfect, so we have created our subscription as well as topic. When we have to post a message, the only thing that we need is the topic name. So let me copy this topic name, order payment process topic, go back to our application, and we need that name right here. Now it is not recommended you use magic string, so right here we will go to our app settings and I will create another key value pair. I will paste the value first, which is order payment processor topic, and the key I will use camel case, which is order payment process topic. Then we will use that in the Azure Service Bus consumer. We'll go to the top here and let me create another private string, which will be for the order payment process topic. We have to populate that here, so I can just copy one of them, paste it here, app settings key, which is order payment process topic, paste that here, and we will populate the order payment process topic from app settings. Once we have that, then we can scroll down, and when we have to publish the message, we will publish that with the topic name that is inside the order payment process topic. Now after everything is done, the processing is complete. So we can say await. Args is the argument that we receive. On there we have the complete message async. That means everything is completed. And here we will just pass the args.message. If there is any exception here, we can log that, and I will leave that to you. Right here, I will just throw the exception for now. So with this, our publish message is successful. Let me save everything and continue in the next video.